It's Thursday, about 3:30, and Mike is on his way to pick me up. I've got all my stuff all organized by the front door, ready to go. And we're about to have our little dove hunting trip, annual trip. This will be number 17. All right, Mike and I are on the road. We've been on the road for about an hour. We've got about 3 hours left to go, heading down to OH Ivy, meeting up with the boys to do some dove hunting.
Time for some me time.
You got everything you need out there?
Yeah, ready to go.
Alright, I got like a piece of wood.
Okay.
Yep.
Day one, got Mike and DJ ready to go hunting.
Oh yeah, Kyle's doing a video diary. Yep. Here, George, here.
Yeah, I saw quite a few land in the middle. Stage one, setting up the campsite.
This right here. Do not discard after the reminder. This is the most important piece of the whole event.
Alright, we're heading out for our second hunt. This is day one, Friday. This morning we slaughtered them, but we are still under limit, so we're going to go out and do it again. We're legal. We're definitely legal.
We're going to Lone, Texas.
We should do pretty well. We've got a lot of time. It's 3:52 right now, so we got a lot of daylight left.
Let's get them. Go back down. Is that? I guess that's Lone right that we just came through. So there's nothing in Lone with gas. Shit. All right. About 10 o'clock on the tree there.
Did he drop it?
Yeah. Yes, he saw it.
Damn it. GoPro, stop recording. Fuck. GoPro, stop recording.
Yeah.
I got some sweet pictures of her on the back with all her birds.
Yeah, I saw that. I saw her posing. All right, day two. Mike and I are wrapping it up. We got 8 each. Brad got 6. Marson, we don't know. Troy got 3.
There, he limited out.
Did he?
No. Let's hope he did. If he did, he's a hero.
I hope he did. Where was he sitting?
He was sitting over there in that
Right over here?
a lot of shit.
Yeah. Well, we'll see what he did.
Right on.
And I think Aaron got 4. Yeah. We all did pretty well.
Good morning.
All right, let's go.
Right on. Going get D.
Let's see how he did.
He's ready.
How'd you do, brother?
Can I get a ride?
$5.
Dadgummit. I think I'll walk.
Did you limit out? I was giving you the benefit of the doubt.
How many did you get?
I got 4.
That's
Bag-
good.
Bag 2 and missed about 30.
It's not for a lack of trying. Hey, can you pull up shore? I gotta go. And the guy's like, right now? He goes, yeah, I can't hold it. He's like, okay. So he pulls up the shore. Lee runs in the woods. And after a couple of minutes, you hear Lee come back and say, hey, you got any toilet paper? He goes, no, I don't have any toilet paper. Shit. You got a rag or something? No. Hell, you got 5 ones for a 5. I'm seeing some birds on there.
What's up, ladies?
Tailgate is good. Seemed like they were crossing here and going all over there. Would have been the place to be if you wanted to sit in the sun.
Yeah.
How many Brad get? 10.
Nice.
Aaron, what'd you get?
4. 3 over there somewhere. They got shot and kind of just glided away.
Coasters.
I was looking. Yeah, I was looking on like the closest gas stations, and it sounds like Brady is the closest. It's maybe 15 miles away. Give or take.
I figured we could eat in Brady. And then he can get gas, and then we'll all just
Yeah,
go
because
back.
if we try and go to camp, there's nothing in Dooley that I could see, and I don't even know if the
I don't think
cafe.
they'll make it back. I think camp's too far.
Yeah, that's yeah. Okay.
Myself in this process. Go grab this. It's like dealing with people.
Louisiana, New Mexico, all the borders.
Man, some video, man.
We're
We're documenting this for all time. Okay.
Songs about.
Here we are starting off day 2.
Something you say when you're visiting your wife.
Mike,
where's the message? Oh yeah, Marston's definitely the girl.
Marston's the wife.
Yeah.
The one that always makes you late for everything.
He's the catcher.
At least
This is gonna be prime video. Marston's the catcher, he
I've always
says.
wondered about that. About you know, it's like, is there always a pitcher and a catcher, or do they ever switch?
You know, I really don't know. Really don't know that I care to know.
Which one are you, Mike?
Huh? I'm a pitcher.
Huh?
That's right.
Huh?
That's what everybody says.
That's right.
These days, I'm a bench warmer.
All right, GoPro, check this out. Aaron got the bird right through the top of the head. And out the eye. And out the eye. GoPro, record video.
Dead bird in here. Dead bird. Here it is, right here.
Got him?
Yep, dead bird. Hey, get it. Right here, right here.
Oh, there we go.
There, good girl. Here, right here. Give, good
Thank
girl.
you.
I'm gonna come work for you. You want to take my spot? My spot? I don't care. That your spot, my spot.
Yeah, you know, the funny thing is when you're walking out here, they come right over and they turn because they see you moving.
Can you smell that in the air? That's a can of whip ass.
Little cordite and whoop ass.
Oh, good God.
Ooh, I just got my protein for the day.
Oh,
I just ate a bug.
how'd that taste?
It was a big one. Wow, proteiny.
Yeah.
Got one on the line here. Oh yeah, looky there. Big Daddy strikes the guy. He's not that nice though. I thought it was bigger. Just a nice day out here on Lake OHIV, fishing with DJ Ori, Troy Marsden. We got a couple of little ones in the boat. Just getting warmed up out here though.
What's up, fellas?
What's going on, Mr.
How was the fishing?
Fishing was good. Caught 7.
Nice. What were you catching?
Good 3 hours.
Striper?
Black.
You missed
large
the
bass.
barrel
Really?
rolls.
Yeah, I heard about it.
So now we got a guide with dead man anchors.
Cool.
Some good solid foundation. I think we'll be TCU the best third down team of the nation.
Yeah, I wonder if that's something we need to worry about at night.
Penalty.
What's going on?
Hanging out, man. Trying to rest after all those fish I yanked out of the lake
Nice work.
before I killed the birds.
That's a lot of fish. George's loaded up, ready for the second hunt of the second day. Our last chance to limit out. Georgia! What do you say, Georgia? You in?
Such a big dogger. Yes, you are.
She's in.
How you doing?
You know, I had a pretty good hunt this morning.
We did. We saw lots of birds this morning. Big groups of 50 following the power lines down that way.
Well, there's suckers come in last night and this morning.
Yeah. We did pretty good this morning.
I don't know whether to test that fill we shot your scheming, but just like these blowed in, those could have blowed out.
Well, they didn't want to go to Lone today.
Oh, yeah, but
Too far.
yeah, they didn't want to go all the way back down there. But what do you know about what that island field over down here to the?
I've got hunters there.
You got hunters there, okay?
Hunters there. The best field I have left is that y'all hunted in this morning. And you ain't gonna hurt it hunting again. If you seen big groups, they'll be there again. They've been there nearly every day.
they'll mind that.
You guys want to do that?
Yeah.
Okay. Behind them, behind them, behind them.
All three?
Yep.
Okay, good to know.
This is Georgia Cam. Can you tell? Call her. Who's that? Who's that? Who's this? What's up, girl? Come here. Yeah.
Man,
It's
watch your muzzle.
Georgia.
They're all in these trees.
It's Georgia Cam.
I'm gonna walk down there.
Okay.
Get one or two. Then I'm gonna come out in the field, try to flush it up, and come back to that spot.
Okay. Good luck. Flush them this way if you can. Hey. Dead bird. Back. Back. Georgia, dead bird. Dead bird. Dead bird. Dead bird in here. Right over your left. Good girl. Bring here, Georgia. Here. Good girl. Here. Good girl. Here. Give.
Damn it.
GoPro, stop recording.
Good girl, bring here. Good girl. Yeah. Woo. Bring here. Here. Good girl. Here. Yep. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Georgia. Laying them down. Aaron. Aaron. Good girl, Georgia. Good girl, Georgia. Here. Good girl, Georgia. Woo! Hot damn.
Golly.
Good shooting, Tex.
Dude, they're coming. Dude.
Oh, careful, careful.
Spin the bag right there. Dude, I don't know how many I've got. I am over.
Hey, I'm done.
You're not recording this, are you? I mean, I'm over.
You're over it.
So,
Hey, no.
I am over expectations.
Can you smell that? That's some kick ass in there.
You done? You get 15?
I'm officially done.
Yeah.
GoPro stopper.
There you go.
Goddamn time.
Hey man, we just had to get the right gun for you.
Further out, baby.
She'll get it. Back!
Further out, baby.
Back! Back! Good girl.
Man,
Bring here.
that dog will work.
Fuck yeah. I need to get my whistle. I haven't worn my fucking whistle. Here. Bring here.
Girl.
All right, well, bring it. All right, I see who you're working for now, bitch. So he shot it. Here.
Yeah, I like this thing a lot better already without that. You know, you got that
Here.
other's got that high post.
Here.
Brothers, doing well. Good day of hunting.
Was it a good day?
Limited out.
Nice.
You know, it's funny because when we first got here, I could see them all going over that corner, and I saw you drive down there, and I didn't realize you were all the way in the corner. I was going to go, I thought you were like...
No, I moved over by Mike because they were all cutting away right through that little gap.
Yeah, I was going to go drive down there in that corner, and then I saw you were there, and then I realized I lost my bucket when I drove away. And so, I just came back.
They didn't come to the water?
We saw you come over there for...
They didn't come to the water. They come to the water at the end of the day.
Well, they have a little bit here just recently, but...
Not really, though.
No.
I would say generally no.
You got 4? I mean, I probably killed 8 or 9. Sure you did.
I beat you and
You did.
You didn't beat DJ.
No. DJ Limited.
That's my yardstick. You know, I figure maybe me and DJ are probably the poorest shots out here, so I just measure myself, put myself against him.
Just as long as you're not in last place, it's all right.
Somebody's got to be.
You take that trees out of the picture, you make a pretty strong argument.
Back.
There you go. Good.
All right, y'all ready? We got 3 seconds once this goes.
Hurry, Brad, hurry.
1, 3, 2, 3. Cheese. Stuck in your gut. Stick out your chest.
Kyle, what was your favorite part of this weekend?
Gosh, that's hard to say. I think my favorite part was yesterday morning when I was having trouble hitting anything. Mike had already killed 7 birds, and I'm trying everything I know to adjust, you know, how I'm shooting, how I'm sighting the gun, making sure I'm getting my cheek right on the stock. I'm working on my lead, and I finally got a bird, and that's when I found my lead, and I found like what's working for me, and I just started dropping them after that. I caught up to Mike in about probably 15 minutes after that.
Hey, you did.
Bam, bam, bam. So my favorite part was the comeback.
Don't call it a comeback. You were just warming up.
Man, I mean I was sitting on 0 for so long, and it hurts. But I was taking long shots. I take a little solace in that, but still, even with all those long shots, I mean, as many as I took, I should have been dropping a couple birds. But once I got on, I was on. And I stayed on that morning, stayed on yesterday evening, and Mike and I just blew them up.